Well, he held her and he kissed her and he whispered so long. He said, I don't know just how long I'll be gone. A cattle drive to Reno can go on and on. Gonna miss you till I get back home. She wiped off her eyes as he rode out of sight, and then started counting each long sleepless night. Worried about stampedes and rattlesnake bites, wondering if he was alright. It's midnight. Do you know where your cowboy is? Yippee-yi-ki-yay, yippee-yi-ki-yo. He's out riding herd, he'll be gone for so long. Yippee-yi-ki-yay-ki-yo. The end of the trail after many a long day. The doggies were sold and the cowboys were paid. A horse race to Reno was well underway. One night for the cowboys to play. In a bar room, in a card game, with courage from rye, a cowboy looked a dealer straight dead in the eye, called him a cheater and invited him outside. Another notch on his gun for the prize. It's midnight. Do you know where your cowboy is? Yippee-yi-ki-yay, yippee-yi-ki-yo. He's out riding herd and he soon will be home. Yippee-yi-ki-yay-ki-yo. When the smoke had all cleared and the dust settled down, a cowboy was lying face down on the ground. People in Reno had all gathered around to see if they knew who he was. It's midnight. Do you know where your cowboy is? Yippee-yi-ki-yay, yippee-yi-ki-yo.